All right, for attendance, all you need to do is go to your OLS, select the class that you wanna work within, and this one I'm using PE, and then select the student. Once you select the student, you'll see this list come up with the student's schedule of grades, what they have so far. Now you're able to see their schedule. You want to go ahead and select attendance. Once you selected attendance, hit enter attendance now. Now you want to find the date they're missing attendance for. Put that date in wherever date you want to use. Enter the time. I'm loading, so 1 second. Computer's a little bit slow. Well, we're not going to wait that long, so all you have to do at this point is enter the time here. You can put 0 or whatever minutes that was obtained for that day. Go down to save it, and you're good to go. That's it. That easy. Have a great day.